These are the elevators at the Palm Tower at Lido Beach Resort in Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna go to 14. They're Otis Elevonic 411 with Series 1 fixtures. Let's go down the lobby. There's your inspection certificate, your emergency phone, and your cab view. So these were installed in the early 2000s, I believe. We're stopping at 3. We're here at 3. We're gonna ride the rest of the way down. Doors take a little while to shut. There's the other elevator. We're gonna go to 14. We're at 14. We're gonna go down to lobby. Here's your inspection certificate. Your phone. Elevator's not moving yet. Now it is. Took a little while to start up. So that's for the Drift Kitchen and Bar on the 8th floor. And we're going to end the video down here. And that'll be it.